Hey guys, welcome to She Didi's Lock channel, and this week I have a very special video production for you guys. I am not just going to be talking like I normally do or giving you advice. I'm going to be installing some starter locks on my goddaughter's hair, Tatiana TT Burrows. I'm going to try a different method than what's normally done, so I hope you guys like and check it out. For this video, I will be using a crochet needle, Eco Styler gel for my lovely goddaughter, and of course clips. You need those when retwisting or forming any locks. Let's jump into it, yeah? This is done by twisting the root only and leaving the remainder of the hair out to later go over with the crochet needle to form the instant lock. And this is the actual instant lock method. You're taking the pointed end of the needle with the hook and inserting it in and out from the root to the tip of your hair, all the way down until it's basically locked. As you can see, the hair is already looking like it's been locked for about a month at this point. It doesn't look like any twist. It doesn't look like anything starter. Oh, this is really cool. My sweet darling goddaughter is so wonderful. She's allowing me to experiment and install a few two-strand twist lock methods into her hair. I would just like a great side-by-side comparison of the instant lock starter kit as opposed to the two-strand twist. See how they grow, the time, and what it takes to transform both. You can remove these starter locks just like you can remove the 2-strand and comb coils. It will, however, take longer and you will lose some of your hair in the process because this is a lot more finite than the twister coils. So you will be combing out a little bit of your hair and it will take a lot longer. So be prepared if you're going to start with this method to stick out your lock journey. Just a simple style that I'm doing. I don't want to put her underneath the dryer. I don't want to wait on a dryer. She doesn't want to wait on a dryer, so we're both like no dryer. So I'm gonna do a simple little updo. It's cute, age appropriate, and it's gonna help her locks to form, stay in place, and her scalp is gonna get the air. Doing monthly videos if she keeps her locks of how her hair is going to transform. So what you see now, it's again. All right, thank you guys. Peace, love, namaste, and tune in next time.